5 money making apps. Yes, you heard me correctly. 5 apps that you can download today to start making money with just your phone. These apps are not scams, they really do work. And what's great with them is you can use them outside of the USA as well. Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I help break down various areas of an online business as well as money making tips into bite-sized chunks to assist in your path to online success. If you are new to my channel and you like watching content about making money and growing businesses online, then please take some time to like the video, subscribe and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Before we continue, a quick shout out to these amazing people. I really do appreciate your support, so thank you very much. So the shout out goes to Uplift Thoughts and Kellen Mayer Official. Thanks so much for the comments and support. And for all of you watching the video, if you're looking for 2 great up and coming channels, go check out these channels. We're going to be going over 5 different apps that you can use to make some money free and easy from your phone. And what's great with these is they're also available to be used outside of the USA as well. I'm going to be working through the apps in preference from option 5 all the way through to option 1. And after this video, I hope that you go and download these apps, sign up to all of them to give you the greatest opportunity to make some money. So let's get into it. App number 5 is called Toluna. If you go over to the App Store preview, you'll see the app called Toluna. It's got a number of great reviews here and it's free to use. If you scroll further down, you'll see it says here, vote, win, discover, ask. So it's saying under the vote area, speak your mind, influence big brands and surveys, and give your opinion to other Toluna members. Under win, it's saying exchange your points for great rewards and cash. Discover and ask is about you being a part of the community and sharing your thoughts and asking questions, and providing as much feedback as possible. If you scroll further down and take a look at the detail, it says here, join the community of millions of members, influence big brands, and get rewarded in the process. All you need to do is give your input to leading brands on their latest products and services. And in return, you'll receive points for these inputs. With those points, you can then redeem them for gift vouchers, cool products, or even cash. You can even see in this win picture here that you're able to redeem for Amazon gift cards, iTunes gift cards, as well as payment through to your PayPal account. If we go over to their site quickly, you'll see they've got here, influence your world, your voice plus our voice equals a voice of change. So that's the input and feedback you're providing to all these notable companies. If you scroll further down, you'll be able to see which partners they're dealing with. So they've got Amazon, CBS, Sony Music, Kellogg's, Coca-Cola, Fiat, L'Oreal, Expedia, to mention just a few. So with this site, they're covering massive companies and massive brands. App number 4 is Google Opinion Rewards. When going to their website, you'll see that it's a very simplistic website. It says here, your opinion is valuable. Earn rewards for helping us improve our products and services. If you scroll further down, it's on the App Store and Google Play Store. It says here, complete short surveys, whether you're standing in line or waiting in the subway. Get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credit for each one that you complete. These include opinion polls, hotel reviews, merchant satisfaction surveys, and a number of other different things. If you go over to their App Store preview, you'll see that they've got over 111,000 ratings and they look roughly about a 4.5 star, and the app is free to use. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see what the interface looks like once you've got the app installed. You'll see what your balance is. You'll see if there's any surveys or anything available. If there is a survey that you go through, it'll look something similar to this where it gives you a multiple choice option for what you're going to answer. And if they do a comparison of sorts, whether it might be between different logos, different brands, different adverts, where they say, is this one better versus this one? You will then select your option, go through the number of multiple choice options that they give you. Once you finish with that survey and all relevant questions that they throw at you, you'll then come through to the last portion of the interface where they thank you for taking your time to do the survey, doing the comparisons, etc. And they tell you what you've earned for taking that particular survey or comparison. If you scroll a bit down, it says here, answer quick surveys and get paid up to $1 for each completed survey. You get paid via PayPal. And it says here, surveys typically take less than 20 seconds. So these surveys are very quick and a quick reward. And even if you earn maybe 50 cents per survey that you do, if you take about 20 of these on a given day, that's roughly $10 in about 4 to 5 minutes worth of work. So it's very quick and easy. And it's free money. And what's nice with this one is you don't even have to sit and search in the app all day, every day to find out if there is a survey available. They say, yeah, you'll be receiving a notification if there's a survey available for you. So they will notify you and tell you when they want to pay you to do a few seconds worth of work. App number 3 is Swagbucks. When going through to their App Store preview, you'll see that they've got a huge amount of ratings here, and it's a free app to download. If you scroll further down, you'll see it says here, put cash back in your wallet, and it says get free gift cards and cash for shopping, answering surveys, and discovering content online. Their network is vast and shows some massive companies here, and you have daily opportunities to earn points. Moving down to the description, it gives you a brief overview of what the app is about. It says here whether you want to shop with all your favorite retailers from the convenience of your phone, take surveys, or watch up-to-date news, their app has you covered. It says here, share feedback on a variety of topics, including movies, TV shows, shopping experiences, and even new products and services. Reward yourself with great experiences as well as free gift cards. So this app is a great way to earn points and earn money for doing things that you generally do on a daily basis anyway. Moving on to their website for a little bit more information, you'll see it says here, join Swagbucks, earn points by shopping online, watching entertaining videos, searching the web or answering surveys, and finding great deals to earn points. Once you've earned those points, you then can redeem them for free gift cards. Whether it be an Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, there's a number of other businesses in the network that you can redeem for, or you can get it paid out to your PayPal account. And moving further down, it just gives you the different options that you're able to do in order to earn points. So it says yeah, shopping online at 1,500 retailers, answering surveys, watching entertaining videos, gaining points with Discover offers, searching the web, playing games, and all this while using their app. I think it's a great way to earn additional income. It's not going to make you thousands on a daily basis, but it's a good way to earn some additional money while doing things that you already do. App number 2 is called Foap. If you go through to their App Store preview, this is a very interesting app. They have a number of great reviews here, and again, it's a free app for you to use. In scrolling down, you'll see an overview of the missions that they have. So what they'll do is on their site, they'll load up certain missions on certain criteria of photos and videos that they would like. They will then tell you a description and detail of the type of photo and video that they would like. They provide a reward value for that, and they tell you how many people are able to earn part of that reward. So if it says they're $1,000 as an example, and it shows you as 10 people in the reward, then 10 people will earn $100 each if they are the top 10 on that mission. And looking at the pictures, they've got companies such as Nivea. They will then present a mission on the type of photos or videos that they want. You then take photos and videos with their products in that photo or video. And the more creative and quality it is, obviously the better chance you have of being in the top 5, 10, 20 for that particular mission and earning some money. In scrolling further down, you'll see how it says, yeah, sell your photos through the Foap market. So even if you don't take part in any of the missions on their website, you can take amazing photos of anything that you want and load it up on their marketplace and sell it via their marketplace. It's a similar concept to Pixabay, iStock Photos, etc. In looking here, it says there are missions from brands such as Nivea, Bank of America, Volvo, Absolute Vodka, Air Asia, and Pepsi. Now I can imagine what type of photos and videos you would probably be thinking about doing the Absolute Vodka, but just remember the things that's sitting on your Facebook aren't something that'll sell on here, so just keep that in mind. However, there's a great opportunity here for you to do some interesting photography and get paid for doing so. What is nice with Foap is they distribute your content through partners. So they've got partners such as Getty Images and so forth, which they will then network with, and your images will then be distributed with those partners with the greatest opportunity for you to make more money with sales through those partners. You get paid through to your PayPal, and it says here you get a 50% commission for every sale that you make. So they will take 50% of the commission for the fact that you're using their website, using their network, their service space, etc. Pretty much everything goes through them. You just take your cut of the sale. but that only applies to the items that you sell on their marketplace. Remember, you've also got the missions to take part in as well. When moving on to their site, it says here, tell your brand story with your own customized visual content. Access a community of 3 million talented creators that can equip your brand with tailor-made video and imagery. So that is the video or images that you are taking with their product in those videos and images. And those are the missions that you're taking part in, and they will then select the best people for that and choose the winners for that mission. You then get paid for being in the top few of that mission. And it's a great way for these companies to get content for their brand that they don't have to then go out and create themselves. If you're not taking part in their missions and you just want to sell your stock photography or videos on their marketplace, then you would upload onto your profile and it would be shown on this marketplace here. So it shows over 40 million creative photos for commercial use. And if you scroll down, you'll see a number of photos here. If you select on any of them, you'll see the photo here, and the price is generally $10 per photo. If you want to take part in their missions, you go through to where their missions are listed and just take a choice of which one you prefer to do. Scrolling through here, you'll see that there's a number of different missions in play. So here's a premium mission here saying close-up and macro. There's a small description saying that it is close-up type photography, in which case the subject of the photo is captured from a very close distance. You can then go into and read more, and it shows here that there's currently 387 photos submitted, and the reward is $600 reward. And there's 24 days left of this particular mission. If we go into the read more, again, you'll see the number of photos submitted, you'll see the $600 reward, and you'll see the number of days left of this mission. You can then click to join the particular mission, whether you're on the computer or on the app. And if you move further down, you'll be able to see the submissions from people in the last few days, all the photos that they've taken, so you can see what you're up against. I think this is a great way to get creative, have some fun, take part in missions, and see what happens on those. And if not, you can then load up your images onto your profile and sell them via the marketplace. Either way, you've got the potential to make some good money. Alright everybody, so we've come down to our number one app, and that app is called Hit That Like Button. But on a serious note, the app is actually called Userlytics. If we go over to the App Store preview and scroll through it, it shows here earn money testing websites and apps. It goes on to tell you it allows you to answer questions and record your sessions both via webcam or the device screen and audio that you have. So it goes on to say that you'll be completing tasks and instructions while interacting with a prototype, a website, or a mobile app, or viewing video commercials or other digital user interfaces. While working through the interfaces of the app or the website, you'll then speak your emotions, your thoughts, any criticisms or suggestions you have to improve the app or website, and in turn you'll earn rewards for doing so. When moving to their website for a little bit more information, you'll see you'll get paid via PayPal. You'll earn anywhere from $5 to $20 and sometimes pay as much as $90 for a given test. You can then scroll through the website and find out how it works and a little bit more information before you sign up if you want to. But earning from $5 to a possible $90 per test is a great way to earn some additional income on the side. And with this app, you only need to be 16 years or older to do so. You don't have to be 18 years or older like most of the other apps. A quick disclaimer though, the apps that have been mentioned in this video, we know that they're not going to make you a millionaire. It would be lovely if they did, but we know that's not the case. Your time is valuable and your most precious currency. What I do suggest is if you do need some money, you can use apps such as these to make that additional money. So you will in turn be exchanging your time for money while doing surveys, while testing websites and apps via these apps themselves and generating some money on the side. Once you do have a little bit more money, I would then take this money and reinvest it into a side hustle or online business that you can then scale and grow in a lot quicker period of time. That way, with what you can earn on an app in a month, 2 months, 3 months, you can then earn in your scalable business in a 30-minute or an hour period. That way you don't have to exchange too much of your time, which is your most valuable resource, for the money. There you have it, ladies and gents. If you're looking for a free and easy way to make some additional money using different apps, then go out and try these apps. For further tips, tricks, and strategies, don't forget to check out these videos. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it valuable. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Thank you for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers.